women's time, we have COVID-19 or Oxford vaccine, which is highly effective at stopping COVID as per research publications. But development of this type of vaccine requires 7 to 8 years. Now the big question is it safe when it has been made so fast? Welcome to Science News, where we explore latest in science and technology. It's November 29th, 2020, and I'm your host, Vyom Jangid. Let's understand how Oxford vaccine came so fast. The biggest misconception is the work on the vaccine started when the pandemic began. The world's biggest Ebola outbreak in 2014-2016 was a catastrophe. The response was too slow and 11,000 people died. In the recrimination followed, a plan emerged for how to tackle the next big one. At the end of a list of known threats was Disease X, the sinister name of a new unknown infection that would take the world by surprise. The plan was revolutionary style of vaccine known as plug and play. It has two highly desirable traits for facing the unknown. It is both fast and flexible. Conventional vaccines include the whole of the childhood immunization program, use a killed or weakened form of the original infection or inject fragments of it into the body. But these are slow to develop. Instead, the Oxford researchers constructed ChA-ad-Ox1 or chimpanzee adenovirus Oxford 1. Scientists took a common cold virus that infected chimpanzees and engineered it to become the building block of the vaccine against almost anything. Before COVID, 330 people had been given ChA-ad-Ox1 based vaccines for diseases ranging from flu to Zika virus and prostate cancer to tropical disease known as chikungunya. The virus from chimps is genetically modified, so it cannot cause an infection in people. It can then be modified again to contain the genetic whatever you want to train the immune system to attack. The target is known as antigen. Within 2 weeks of COVID-19, scientists have identified the virus responsible and begin to suspect it was able to spread between people. It started out as a test of how fast they could go and as a demonstration of the ChA-ad-Ox1 technology. It sounds strange to say it's almost preserved, but it was lucky that the pandemic was caused by a coronavirus. The family of virus had tried to jump from animals to people twice before the past 20 years. SARS coronavirus in 2002 and MERS coronavirus in 2012. It meant scientists knew the virus biology, how it behaved, and it actually healed the spike protein. The spike protein is the key the virus used to unlock the doorway into our body cells. If a vaccine could train the immune system to attack the spike, then the team knew they were odd on to succeed. And they had already developed a ChA-ad-Ox1 vaccine for MERS, which could train the immune system to spot the spike. It was also lucky that coronavirus caused short-term infection. It means the body is capable of beating the virus and the vaccine just needs to tap into the natural process. If it had been a long-term or chronic infection that the body cannot beat like HIV, then it's unlikely a vaccine could work. How does it work? It uses a completely different approach to the vaccines from Pfizer and Moderna, which inject part of the virus genetic code into patient. The Oxford vaccine is a genetically modified common cold virus that's used to infect chimpanzees. It has been already to stop it causing an infection in people and to carry the blueprints for part of the coronavirus known as the spike protein. Once these blueprints are inside the body, they start producing the coronavirus spike protein, which the immune system recognizes as a threat and tries to squash it. Coronavirus spike protein. This prompts the immune system to produce antibodies and active killer T cells to destroy infected cells. If the patient encounters coronavirus again, the antibodies and T cells are triggered to fight the virus. At every stage of the manufacturing process, they need to ensure that the vaccine was not being contaminated with virus or bacteria. In the past, this had been a lengthy process. Instead, once animal trials had shown the vaccine was safe, the researchers were able to begin human trials for the vaccine on 23rd April. The UK already had 4 million doses of the vaccine ready to deploy. The Oxford team partners with pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca, and the manufacture of the vaccine started long before the results came in. At the time, it was a gamble, but it was paid off big time. The Oxford vaccine has, like those of Pfizer and Moderna, arrived in record time to the world in desperate need. That's all in this section. Hope you like the report. For new science and technology related news and other updates, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.